Gautam Buddha. Heard of him? Huh? He was walking with his disciple, Ananda. And they were walking, and suddenly one man from the building started shouting out abuses. Okay? So his disciple looked and started shouting abuses back. He was shouting. He turned around and looked, and he saw that Gautam Buddha had walked away 15 steps. So he went running after him. He said, Master, no, that man is shouting abuses at you when you're walking away. So Gautam Buddha said, Ananda, if I give you a fistful of rice, and if you don't want it, what will you do? He said, I won't take it. He said, that man is giving me abuses, I don't want it. Yeah? Not always easy to do is my point. Mahatma Gandhi, you know somebody called him half-naked fakir, you know that? Winston Churchill said this man is naked, he's not even wearing clothes. Okay? Now at that time, Gandhi did not ask Winston Churchill, excuse me sir, could you please give me the address of your tailor? I would like to make a suit like that. I'm me. At the same time, so you do not have to always defend is my point. Every time a mosquito bites you, you go catch the mosquito and bite it back.